This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
You can get some kind of an image with merge tags out of here, though the image will not be properly formatted, and yeah, the size will be just it won't be adaptive. You cannot see the good template on your mobile when you use this tag. At least with Squarespace, so I have not. But a different one, if you just want to display some kind of summary, truncated text, you can just get some kind of like content. This one, it should work. If you want the full content, this one. So basically, if you are familiar with MailChimp RSS merge tags, this one should work for you fine. I would just recommend to use one of the predefined templates in the MailChimp, then edit it a little bit, add your logo type or just your favorite image, and then just run an automated campaign. So every time you post on your blog, MailChimp will automatically send the email with all the information. It can be usually I do something like title. I use some default photo. Then I add some kind of a button, and I add the URL. So the user just click on the button, and there will be an opportunity to read the whole text. Yeah, this is the best way, as I see it at this point. And image tag just won't work properly as you expect it to work.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.